a bit of a closeout this morning. And Blue up and riding. Blue getting the best of all the waves on this heat. But again, we will see after the scores have locked in. 8 minutes. 8 minutes remaining. Surfers, I know you want to know their scores, but you have to wait. Be patient. It's still locking in. Here we go. Air, big air by Red. Surfer in Blue. A 5.25 on your last, or your third wave. You're in first, followed by Surfer in Red with a 4.9 and a 2.65, but Red just doing a big air on that one. This could change the situation. Surfer in Green, you need a 5.1. You already have a 2.45 and a 2.25. You need a 5.1. And Surfer in Yellow needing a 4.06. 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Waiting for Surfer in Red's last wave. And Surfer in Red showing us that big air. Let's see what the judges think on that one. Surfer in Blue, your last wave, a 3.0, remains in first. Surfer in Blue, you're in first. But again, we're just waiting for the scores for Red, and we will see if it changes the situation. 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. It did change. Surfer in Red, a 5.6 on that air. You're now in first, Surfer in Red. Surfer in Red has a 5.6 and a 4.9. Now, Green up and riding, looking for a 5.8. Foam climb to finish. Couple of foam climbs. 3 turns for Green on that last wave. Just a few minor maneuvers for Surfer in Green. He needs the major ones because he needs a 5.01. Green, that was a 3.25. You need a 5.01. Yellow now, looking for a 4.26. Tail whip. And again, looking to rebuild. Finishing up the wave with a snap. And again, another snap. But incomplete on the last turn. 3. Backside snap. Blue up and riding. Looking for a 5.26. 5 minutes. Spray on Blue. Another roundhouse. And again, finishing it up. Incomplete on the last turn for Surfer in Blue. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Red is our current leader with that big air reverse with a 5.6 and a backup score of a 4.9, followed by Blue, who just finished his wave, and we will see what the judges think on that wave. And Green on fourth. Surfer in Yellow, you need a 4.26. And Surfer in Green, you need a 5.01 to move to the semifinals. Our leader, Red, another quick air. And looking, not continuing on that wave. In my opinion, a bigger wave for good air for Green. That was a good air for Green. Air tail reverse. We will see if that is a 5.01. We will see. Three minutes and 25 seconds remaining. 3 minutes remaining. And a few scores just locking in for Surfer in blue and green. Surfer in blue, a 2.5 on your last wave. Not enough, you need a 5.26. Now green, looking for a ramp again. Let's see if he gets it. No red. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. To 1 minute and 55 seconds. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Red and blue. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Judges locking it in. Let's see what the scores are. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Green now, up and riding. Grab. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining.
Blue. Red, up and riding.
1 minute. Ah. 40 seconds remaining. Green. Green, that is your last wave. Green, don't take this wave. Green, you don't have any more waves. Green. No more waves for green. 25 seconds.
Blue, up and riding. Red, up and riding.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, that's an opening heat for day 5 here at Baler. That was the junior boys quarterfinals. And a few more waves to lock in, and let's see who will move on to the semi-final heat. But in the water, we have J. Ward Alciso, Jack Andy Johns, J. Ruzen Arbuabo, and Guillermo Hugo.
Good windy morning, Baler. What an opening heat. It's a cold and chilly day here, but the heats are super hot. And moving on to the semifinals for the junior boys is Troy. So Troy, kamusta naman yung heat mo?
Medyo okay naman kasi yung board na gamit ko ay yung akin. So, comfortable ako maggawa ng tricks ko.
So napa-repair mo yung board mo? Ikaw nag-repair?
Hindi, pina-repair ko lang. Nagbayad lang ako.
Okay, and if you look at the beach and you look at the waves, it doesn't look like much, but it takes a trained eye from our competitors like Troy to really look for those ramps and see all the potential for high-scoring waves. Anong mga tips mo para sa mga surfers na ganito yung alon? Ano ba yung mga dapat kunin? Paano mo siya binabasa?
Nag-aantay lang ako ng priority ko tapos pumili talaga ako ng saktong alon para makuha ko yung kailangan kong score.
Tapos alam mo naman na lahat ng competitors sa heat mo, lahat sila may air game. So ano yung strategy mo na kailan ka babato ng air at anong klase?
Pag nakikita ko na may punto na akong points, tsaka na ako mag-air.
Okay, so let's not miss another second of this. Crowd's going wild, so let's go back and just watch the live stream, guys. Thank you. Congrats, congrats.
Time remaining 16 minutes and 40 seconds. 16 minutes and 40 seconds. Red jersey, you're in first priority, followed by blue. And in third, we have green jersey. And in fourth, yellow jersey, you're in fourth priority. Paddling blue. He's down. Situation. Jersey in red, you're currently in first with your first wave of a 3.50. And in second, jersey in green, your first wave was 2.0. And in third, surfer in blue, with a total points of 1.30, you need a 1.21. And jersey in yellow, needing a 1.01. Minutes remaining. 13 minutes remaining. Green is up. Situation. Jersey in red, you're currently in first with a total score of 4.85. Followed by jersey in green with a total score of 2.0. Jersey in blue, you need the 3.85. And jersey in yellow, you need the 3.65 to advance to the next round. Lewis paddling. Last 11 minutes and 20 seconds. Last 11 minutes and 20 seconds. Green, you're in first priority. Surfer in green, you're in first priority, followed by red. And in third priority, jersey in yellow. You're in third priority, jersey in yellow. Time remaining. Last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. Situation. Jersey in red, you're currently in first with a total points of 7.50. Followed by jersey in yellow with a total points of 4.70. And in third, jersey in green needing a 2.05. Jersey in green, you need a 2.05. And in fourth, jersey in blue needing a 2.7. to advance to the next round. Eight minutes and 15 seconds remaining. 8 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Blue is paddling. Blue is up.
Yellow.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 50 seconds. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. First priority, jersey in green. Second is in red. And in third priority, jersey in yellow. Situation still the same. Jersey in red, you're currently in first. Situation change. Jersey in red, you're currently in first with total score of 7.50. Followed by jersey in blue. Your total score is 5.10. And in third, jersey in yellow, needing a 2.51. And jersey in green, you need a 2.46 to advance to the next round.
We're about to enter our 5-minute mark, and getting a little bit windy here this morning. 5 minutes. Jet, what do you think? Is it gonna be like this the whole day, Jet? Four minutes and 40 seconds, and wind is picking up from the east, and but yet the boys are doing pretty well out there, scoring a 4.0 and a 3.5 for Surfer in red. Jet, do you think this will lessen or stop the wind, or is it gonna be the whole day?
I think it's gonna be a whole day.
Raining. It is going to be, I think, the whole until the afternoon. I did ask a few more locals, and they know what's happening right now. This is a normal thing for them, and yeah. But well, we still see good waves out there, Jet, even though the wind is so strong.
Yeah.
That's
There's
really
still
good
some
here in
ramps,
Belair.
Good ramps, yeah.
In other spots, you definitely won't be able to surf with this kind of onshore
Yeah.
strong winds.
Green, paddling.
But here you can still see up and riding surfer in green. Three minutes and 20 seconds still remaining.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 minutes and 40 seconds for this heat. Situation change. Jersey in red, you're currently in first with a total score of 8.85. Followed by green with a total points of 5.65. And in third, jersey in blue, you need a 2.55 to advance to the next round. And jersey in yellow, needing a 3.05. Jersey in red, you're in third priority, followed by green. And in third priority, surfer in blue.
1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining.
Red, up and down, up and ready. Red is green, blue, and yellow.
1 minute and 30 seconds. Priority first, priority is jersey in green, followed by blue. And in third priority is jersey in yellow. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Last 40 seconds. Last 40 seconds.
Surfer in yellow, you need a 3.05. And surfer in blue, you need a 2.55 to move on to the semifinals.
Last 20 seconds. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's it for Junior Boys Quarterfinals Heat 2.
The Acao Balear National Surfing Competition is the third leg of the 2023 Next Gen Pilipinas Surfing Nationals. Acao Balear is brought to you by Next Gen Philippines and co-presented by Tingog Party List. Speaker Martin Romualdez and Senator Sonny Angara. This event is organized by the United Philippine Surfing Association, Aurora Surf Riders Association Incorporated, in coordination with Municipality of Balair, Philippine Sports Commission.
All right, surfers, hands up if you can hear me clearly, surfers. Thank you. We're going to run it. Waiting for the judges to give me a go signal. Judges? 20 minutes. Ready? Here we go. Head judge. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. 20-minute heat, quarterfinals, junior boys, last heat.
Blue is padding.
Red up and riding, green at the back. Foam climb, vertical. 2 turns for red, green still riding. Looking for a nice wall. Let's see if he can get the ramp he needs. Foam climb, and that's it. All right, now surfer in green and surfer in red. Toby Espion and Julius Isagire.
16 minutes remaining. 16 minutes remaining for this heat. Blue jersey, you're in first priority.
Surfer in green, your first wave a 4.0 and your second wave is a 5.0. You're now in first with a 9.0 total score, followed by Surfer in red. Surfer in red, first wave a 3.5 and a 3.75 on your last wave. You need a 5.25 to grab the lead. And Surfer in yellow, you need a 5.25. And Surfer in blue needs a 7.25. 15 minutes remaining.
So many things are happening right here at Sabang Beach, and we're doing our best to contend with the element. So the judges have relocated, and we are also trying to set up a new interview venue just so we don't stop serving you the action for Acau Baler National Surfing Competition. So nandito tayo ngayon with Jay Ward, who is advancing to the semis. And mind you, we must note na hindi madali yung ginagawa nila out there. Dahil kamusta ba yung alon ng heat mo?
Yung alon medyo mahirap kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin. Palaging nagko-close out. Saka yung ano lang, yung ginawa ko lang, naghintay lang ako ng ng alon na malaki, saka yung perfect talaga yung pagka niya. Yun.
Sa sobrang lakas ng alon, ay ng hangin at ng alon, hinahangin na rin ako. So nakaka-advantage talaga, no, if you are leaner and you have more muscle para hindi ka liparin ng alon. Anong message mo to the two younger and smaller juniors during your heat? Si Jayru from Ilocos and si Gero from Baler, na anong mga inspirational tips mo?
Yan, pagpatuloy nyo lang yan, work hard lang, palagi lang focus lang sa surfing, tsaka sa pag-aaral. Tsaka ano lang, kung may time kayo na mag-gym kayo minsan para kayo yung katawan nyo, para medyo lumaki konti. Yan.
Okay. All right, so let's see what the judges will call after this. We still have 4 juniors out there contending with the elements, and this is Jay Ward's last year in the juniors, and we'll see him in the open shortboard starting next year. Maraming salamat ulit, Jay Ward.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Jay Ward.
Twelve minutes and 15 seconds still remaining. Surfer in green in first with a 9.0 total score, followed by Surfer in red with a 7.25, needing a 5.25 to grab the lead. And blue and yellow looking for the wave to move on to the semifinals. After this heat, we will have a short break and proceed to men's shortboard open. Announcement, men's shortboard open competitors, all competitors, please proceed to the function room at Base Inn for a quick meeting with our contest director. Again, all surfers from men's shortboard division, we have a meeting. Everyone, please go to the function room, Base Inn. Thank you. 11 minutes remaining, boys. 11 minutes.
Yellow.
Yellow looking for a 5.25 and blue looking for a 5.95 to move to the semi-final round. Blue looking for a 5.8 score, and green, our current number one, just finishing off his wave. Again, all men's open shortboard division, please head to the function room, base in, for a quick meeting. 9 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Eight minutes and 35 seconds still remaining. People watching online, you guys can see how the waves here in Baler can hold on. Right now we're experiencing a 25 knots of a wind, 50 plus kilometers per hour wind gust east onshore. But the waves are still looking contestable out in the water. Surfer in red just showing us how it's done on this windy day here at Baler. Good backside hacks from Surfer in red. Looking for a 5.25 to win this heat with 7 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Enjoying a nice hot salabat on this windy day. And of course, this beautiful windy morning here at Baler. Hope you guys were here. Visit this place, it's beautiful. Yellow has priority on that one. Just in time for blue to kick out. Situation now, red, last wave, a 5.5. You're now in first, Surfer in red. You're now in first, Surfer in red, with a 9.25 total score. Surfer in green. I'll wait for you to paddle out. Surfer in green, you're now in second. Surfer in green, you need a 4.26. 6 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Surfer in blue, you need a 6.55. And Surfer in yellow, you need a 7. 5 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. All right, let me do a really quick shout out. Sorry, guys. John Carby, good morning. Thank you for watching, John. We miss you. Arien Tanael, thank you for watching. And Dongski, Reina May Gador, thank you for watching. Blue Up and Riding. Glenn Willis of Catanduanes. 5 minutes remaining, guys. 5 minutes. Corey, Kagasan, good luck, Toby. And Troy, Proud Mama, always. Carvar, Go Julius. Ate Fatima, Kuya Sen, and Tita Cara are cheering for you. And from Canada, thank you guys for watching. And Tita Sawera, shout out to Jeff from Isabela who's currently watching in front of Base Inn. 4 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Last heat for our junior boys quarterfinals. Who will join Jayward Alciso, Jack Andy Johns, Troy Espihon, and Marco Ventura on the semifinal run. And we will see after 4 minutes still remaining. Red still in first, improving your score again with a 6.0 on your last wave. A 6.0, you're still in first. Now Surfer in green in second, looking for a 6.5 to grab that lead. And Surfer in blue, you need a 6. You need a 6. And Surfer in yellow needs a 7. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Yellow Up and Riding. Upcoming. Look at that. We can see it from the horizon. The rain is about to come. Bam! Big smack. Three minutes remaining. 3 minutes remaining. Two minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Two minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Toby Espihon in red, current leader with a 6.0 and a 5.5 backup score. Followed by Surfer in green, Julius Isagire, 4, a 5.0 and a 4. Surfer in green, Surfer in blue, you need a 6.0. And Surfer in yellow, Honesty, needs a 6.15. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. Shout out to Northern Samar, Jacon Degia, and Edric Pantalunan. One minute and 30 seconds remaining. And you can see in your screen at the live stream, the rain is gonna pour out on us. We have raindrops on our camera, but we're all good. Still on the seat. Junior boys, 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining. Who will go to the semifinals together with Jayward Alciso, Jack Andy Johns, Troy Espion, and Marco Ventura. 1 minute remaining, boys. 1 minute remaining. Surfer in green has priority, followed by Surfer in yellow. Thank you for that information, Tom. Thank you for watching, too. Here we go. 35 seconds remaining. I knew it. It's going to be an air game on this early morning Tuesday. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. $15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, that's it for our heat number 3. Congratulations. In second, Julius Izaguirre in green. And in first, Toby Espion from Siargao. Moving on to the semi-final round. Tapos na, tama. All right, we will have a few-minute break, a few adjustments for the judges. We will be back really soon. Moving up the tower. So men's open shortboard. Just get ready. We'll be back in a while. Congratulations to all the winners. Cheers.
Going on a quick just tower, but before that, last heat's winner is no other than Toby Espejon. Congratulations sa'yo, Loy. Kamusta naman?
Yung alon doon sa
ngayon sobrang hirap kasi sobrang malakas yung hangin tapos di din masyadong rinig so nag-antay lang talaga ako ng mas magandang alon para mas makakuha ng malaking score. Yun lang.
And that is why we are moving things around also for the benefit of our athletes so they can hear their scores, which is very crucial when you're competing. So,
Lamig.
parang ano,
Ano lang, kailangan lang to ng jacket.
yan na raw sila ng jacket out in the water. But I hear also, Toby, this is the last year in the juniors.
Tapos sasalang na ulit sa open, men's open. So,
How do you feel about now competing with your
mas malaking experience sa akin na makapag-compete sa mga mas matatanda sa akin. Yun lang. Parang saya din.
Okay, so it's not even a question of whether Toby is ready. Ang tanong ay, ready na ba sila kay Toby Espejon? So, congratulations ulit sa'yo. Please do not leave. We are just moving things around and we'll be back live for the quarterfinals of Men's Open Shortboard. Thank you.
Around the world, they've been surfing for 60 plus years. For us, it's relatively new. First time that we would all come together under this United Philippine Surfing Association. Surfing it is an Olympic event. The potential for a Filipino to get very far in surfing is there. It takes a village to raise a child. It takes the Philippines to raise surfing. Competitive surfing is more than just a lifestyle, it's actually a job, and that's the way we need to approach it, and that's the way we did approach it. In the short term, we need to compete. We need to compete in our country, we need to compete in other countries. We need to be exposed to surfing across the Philippines. And that is exactly what we're doing. 2022, we went aggressively into competition mode. We had 4 legs in 3 months. An international event in Siargao. We had our national event in Siargao, Belair, Borongan and Cabugao. We were able to host the first ever WSL longboard and shortboard combined event down on the beautiful Mona Lisa Point in La Union. The local talent shone with JR Esquivel taking out the inaugural longboard WSL event right there on his home break. This wasn't possible without the support of NextGen and RD Jeff Ortega, Region 1 DOT. Since the announcement of surfing in the Olympics, amazing things have happened in our sport. We've put our focus on the youth. We have a caravan that goes around the Philippines. We go from province to province and train them and educate them on how to become Philippines' greatest surfers. We want to raise up athletes who will raise up gold for the Philippines. The joy of success and the passion of winning. We want to mix this all together and showcase the talent we have right here in the Philippines. The United Philippine Surfing Association would not be able to do this without the support of NextGen. Maraming salamat.
The Acau Balear National Surfing Competition is the third leg of the 2023 NextGen Pilipinas Surfing Nationals. Acau Balear is brought to you by NextGen Philippines and co-presented by Tingog Parilis. Speaker Martin Romualdez and Senator Sonny Angara. This event is organized by the United Philippine Surfing Association, Aurora Surf Riders Association Incorporated, in coordination with Municipality of Balear and the Philippine Sports Commission. We are here at Baler, birthplace of Philippine surfing, for our third Pilipinas Surfing Nationals. And LGU was kind enough to show us around here. Let's go! The Museo de Baler hosts paintings, artworks, and artifacts from their rich history and culture, all the way back from pre-colonial time to Spanish era, and the story of our second president, Manuel L. Quezon, and his amazing wife, Aurora. Right now, we are at the Baler World Class Skate Park. It's just finished this year, and currently it's not yet open for the public, but we are very, very excited to see this filled up with Baler skaters and even surfers using this facility. I know for sure this kind of skate park here in Baler will promote the board sport not only from here but around the Philippines. We are dreaming and hoping that we will see more of this kind of skate park around the country. Phew! We're here at Ermita Hill, where people of Baler went up plateau during December 27, 1735. There was a big tidal wave called Tromba Marina, and this is the place they went up for safety with their families. Thank you, Baler. Thank you, LGU, for showing us around this wonderful place. We are very excited to see more, and we would like to say good luck to all the competitors, the surfers, for our Leg 3 Pilipinas Surfing Nationals. Good luck! Woo!
Sir, si Kuya Dennis po yung tour guide po ninyo ngayong araw na to. Ayan, welcome sa Baler.
up in the summer day. Try to find that piece of time that lets me freeze you in my mind.
nagpera po sa akin ng pool. Nabahan ako doon.
Right now it's 8:30, but we will wait for our competitors to head to the lineup and start their heats. One man-to-man heat. You can see in the screen, the winds are really strong right now, but we still have good waves out in the water. Robert Magaluna in red heading to the water against Ivan Paulo in green, both from Siargao. Men's Open. Men's Open quarterfinals. All right, here we go. Our surfers already out and ready to rumble. Man-to-man heat. Who's going to the semis? Winner of this heat, moving on to the semifinals. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, plastic. Right, we'll set up the buzzer. Surfers, can you hear the tower? Hands up if you can hear it clearly. Can you hear? Thank you. 20-minute heat. Surfers, we're just gonna try the buzzer. Tatry lang namin yung buzzer if it's working. So, this is not the start of your heat, ha? Not yet, not yet. Okay. All right, everything is set. We're setting up here, the judges, making sure everything is all ready. We have one judge giving me a thumbs up. Okay, we're still waiting for one more, and then we will start the heat. Okay, getting ready now to start this heat. Surfers, are you ready? Hands up. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Men's Open quarterfinals 20-minute heat. Two surfers from Siargao representing the island of Marajao, Carajao. Siargao. Mga Siargao nun. Sa mga Siargao nun diya, nangita sa ato live. Naanan duha ka bagtik na surfer sa Siargao. Let's see who will go and move to the semi-final. Based from the last heat winner, Toby, it is very tricky out there, he said, with this type of condition, but he did pretty well with that tricky condition. He had a 6.0 and a 5.5 on his heat. As we all know, if you're a competitor, you need to be good at all condition: beach break, reef break, windy condition, bumpy condition, barreling condition. You have to have all of those to win the nationals. And these two men from Siargao has all of them. We've seen this guy surfing for a while now. And of course, Robert Magalona, current #1 at Philippine National Surfing. And Green does not care if he's number one. He wants to have a good heat. Surfer in green finishing off with his opening wave. Surfer in red, a 2.0 on your opening run. 16 minutes and 50 seconds still remaining. Surfer in red, 3.25 on your second wave. A 3.25 currently in first. And yet to get his second wave, Surfer in green. $14 minutes still remaining, boys. 14 minutes. Surfer in red, you're now in second because Surfer in green's second wave is a 2.6. Surfer in green, you have a 2.75 and a 2.6 putting you to first. Surfer in red, a 3.25 and a 2.0 needing a 2.1. Surfer in red has first priority. 13 minutes and 25 seconds still remaining. Good exchange from Surfer in green and Surfer in red on that one. Looking good with Surfer in red with that power hack. Surfer in green, a 3.65. And Surfer in red, your third wave, a 4.9, putting you back to first. And we will see what the judges think about your last wave. But you already have a 4.9, Surfer in red, and a 3.25. You're currently sitting in first with 11 minutes and 45 seconds still remaining. Green up and riding. Red. We have it. It's Surfer in red, your last wave, a 4.90. You're now in first, Surfer in red. With 10 minutes and 50 seconds remaining, Surfer in green, you need a 4.51. Ten minutes remaining. 10 minutes. Surfer in green, you need a 4.51 to move to the semifinals. You have a 3.65 and a 2.75 from your last wave. Eight minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Surfer in green, you need a 4.51 Surfer in green to move to the semifinals. Green up and riding, looking for 5 minutes remaining, boys. 5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes remaining, and surfer in green still looking for a 4.31. And let's see if he gets it on that wave. A nice spray at the beginning of that wave and a foam climb to finish. Three minutes and 40 seconds remaining. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Surfer in green still locking in on that last wave. I will let you know once we have the scores. Three minutes, 3 minutes. Surfer in green, a 4.5 on your last wave. You're now in first. Surfer in red, needing a 3.45 in first priority. 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Red up and riding. Backside whip and another vertical. Looking for a 3.45. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Two minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. Surfer in red, a 4.10 on that last wave. 4.10, now you're back in the lead. Surfer in green, you need a 4.51. You need a 4.51. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. You need a 4.51, surfer in green. Green now, looking for a 4.51. Let's see if he gets it. One minute and 5 seconds still remaining. You still have time. Let's see if he can get back in time to get that wave he needs. 50 seconds. 40 seconds. Twenty-five seconds. 20 seconds. Incomplete air by green. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. right, that is it for heat number 1, quarterfinals, men's open shortboard. Next, Siargao versus Baler, Noah Arkfeld against Jandel Ramos. Good surfing for both surfers from last heat. I know it's gonna be a really close heat. Boys from Siargao, congratulations. Congratulations, Robert Magaluna in red, moving on to the semifinals. Next heat, heat number 2, Noah Arkfeld and Jandel Ramos.
The Acau Baler National Surfing Competition is the third leg of the 2023 Next Gen Pilipinas Surfing Nationals. Acau Baler is brought to you by Next Gen Philippines and co-presented by Tingog Party List. Speaker Martin Romualdez and Senator Sonny Angara. This event is organized by the United Philippine Surfing Association, Aurora Surf Riders Association Incorporated, in coordination with Municipality of Baler and the Philippine Sports Commission.
Yes, it's raining in Baler and kami ay nilalamig. Congratulations, Raymar Magaluna. Clutch na naman ang iyong finishing wave for you to advance. Naririnig mo ba yung scores kanina na may point na lumamang si Ivan sa'yo? Sumakto talaga na may dumating na opportunity for you.
Patingin mo sa mayanon, sabi ko, ay ito na yun, baka mas malaking score ko to, yung backup ko ba.
Nakapaglaro ka na rin ba sa ganitong stormy yung condition sa ibang mga competitions?
Sa amin din, yung international na pa. Oh.
Okay, but you are better now because you learned from your experiences before. And graduating from the junior boys are your fellow Siargaonon, sina Toby at sina Jayward. So next year, makakalaban mo na sila sa men's open shortboard. Ano naman sa tingin mo dito?
Sa atin din na makalaman sila kasi tapos focus na yung sa junior nila. So, doon naman talaga sila papunta sa open. So, excited na makasama din sila sa open.
Okay, so congratulations ulit sa'yo and good luck on the semis.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, we're back now. 15 minutes and 15 seconds still remaining. Surfer in red, 3.0 on his first wave, and 2.75 for Surfer in red on his first wave. We will give you guys the situation after the judges locks in on the scores. We have a few more waves to lock in before I can update everyone. But right now, Surfer in green is in first, followed by red with 14 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. We are locking in with 2 more scores for Surfer in green.
Red up and riding again. Red. And down.
Surfer in red, losing your priority. Surfer in green has first priority now. All right. Surfer in green, you're currently in first with a 4.9 on your third wave and a 4.5 on your second wave. Surfer in red, a 3.30 on your second wave and a 2.75 as your backup. You need a 6.1 to move to the semifinals. 'Again, I'll say it again, Surfer in red, 6.1. You need a 6.1. Surfer in green has first priority. Red, not yet given the priority because you are not in the priority zone. You have to go to the priority zone to be awarded priority. Then you guys can choose a spot where you can sit.
Okay.
11 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Surfer in red, you need... Surfer in red, you need a 6.1. You need a 6.1, Surfer in red. 10 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 10 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Under priority surfer in red. Looking at that one. 10 minutes. 10 minutes remaining. Red, give me a hands up if you can hear that. 10 minutes. Can you hear me, Red? Hands up, surfers, if you can hear me. Hands up if you can hear me. Wala. Check, wala. Patay kayo. Wait lang kayo, relax. Relax lang kayo. Alright, surfers, can you hear me? Surfers, hands up if you can hear us. Wala. Alright, here we go. Green. Eight minutes and 45 seconds. Red, can you hear me from the back? Surfer in red. Wala. Good luck, guys. Just keep surfing. Surfers, depend on the flag and the priority board. Right now, you can't hear me. Surfer in red, can you hear me from the back? Wala. Oh, good luck. Look out for the board and the flag. That's it. Sometimes this happens really with an offshore wind, more than 60 kilometers per hour wind. This does happen. So as a surfer, as an athlete and competitor, you need to know not to depend on the audio. I think that's the reason why WSL has their Apple Watch with them already, so they can still see it even though they can't hear the audio. But continue on. 1 minute, 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Seven minutes and 10 seconds. I will still do my job, even though you can't hear it. 7 minutes remaining. 7 minutes. Surfers. Green now, paddling. Up and riding, surfer in green. Big hack. Ah, falling off. Green still leading. Red, you need a 6.1. Surfer in red, you need a 6.1. Six minutes remaining. Five minutes and 30 seconds. sabihin na, tapos na.
Red lost priority si Red. Red lost priority.
5 minutes remaining. 5
Ilagay mo si Red, pangalawa si Red.
minutes remaining. Galeon watching us carefully. I did turn off that mic. Sponsor for a waterproof saying the people online. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Red, riding, home climb. Okay, surfer. Kailangan mabilis sana yung scoring para makita ni Red. Red, 4 minutes and 15 seconds still remaining. You need a 6.1. 4 minutes. We will be on hold. Next heat, guys, we will be on hold. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. After this heat, we will calling it off for today. Green and air. Frontside air with a nice foam climb and a lip climb on that one. And a big claim for surfer in green. Let's see if he makes it harder for surfer in red. Noah, surfer in red, a 5.5 on your last wave. You need a 3.9, but let's see after that last wave of green. 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Red first priority.
Time check.
2 minutes and 40 seconds. Again, for those on the next heat, surfers from the next heat, depend on the priority board and the flag. You might not be able to hear the audio clearly out there. Surfers. And also, if you have a watch, wear a watch for your time. That will be the best as a competitor. Be ready for this type of condition. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. One minute and 50 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. Yet to drop surfer in green's last wave.
First time na kailangan ng green. Oh, yes. Yung last ng green.
1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. Surfer in red still looking for a score to win this heat and move to the semifinals, because currently surfer in green is in first and still to lock on his last wave with a crunch time of 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining, and of course, surfer in red asking for the update. Judges, 50 seconds remaining. 50 seconds remaining. Guys, keep surfing. We might not be able to give you guys $25 seconds. 25 seconds. $18 seconds. Here we go. Countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The Acao Balear National Surfing Competition is the third leg of the 2023 Next Gen Pilipinas Surfing Nationals. Acao Balear is brought to you by Next Gen Philippines and co-presented by Tingog Party List. Speaker Martin Romualdez and Senator Sonny Angara. This event is organized by the United Philippine Surfing Association, Aurora Surf Riders Association Incorporated, in coordination with Municipality of Balear and the Philippine Sports Commission.
Congratulations! From the last heat, Jandel Ramos! Moving on to the semi-finals. Congratulations, Balear! Next one, both from Balear. Let's start. 3, 2, 1. We got 15 minutes still remaining on this heat. 15 minutes. And surfer in green is currently in first. Neil Sanchez with a 5.75 on his last wave and a 1.4 as his backup. And surfer in red, Jefferson Faraon, opening it up with a 4.50 score. Surfer in red has priority. 14 minutes and 30 seconds remaining on heat number 3 of this beautiful rainy Tuesday here at Balair. Fourteen minutes remaining. 14 minutes remaining. Green, you're in first with a 5.75. You have first priority, surfer in green. Red up and riding. Twelve minutes remaining. 12 minutes remaining. Red looking for just a 2.66. And I think he's going to get that on that particular wave. Let's see. But Green up and riding now, wants to improve his score. Wait. And another hack. Judges on the paging Ken, paging Ken. Ken is back. Again, sorry about our scores, scorecards on the live stream, but we're fixing it. And it's back. Here we go. Two waves. Good exchange for surfer in red and surfer in green. 10 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Green, you have first priority. Green, you have first priority. All right, 9 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Surfer in red, last wave, a 7.0. 7.0 wave. You have a backup score of a 5.75. You're in first. Surfer in red, you need an 8.25. You need 8.25 to win the and move on to the semifinals. 8 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Who will join Robert Magalona and Jandel Ramos on the semifinals men's open shortboard? The winner of this heat, after 8 minutes and 20 seconds, we will find out. We have one more heat to go today. Heat number 4 men's open shortboard, Alan Magos and Clifford Lumasak. One more heat and then we might call it off because of the wind and the rain getting stronger and stronger. 8 minutes remaining. 8 minutes remaining. Seven minutes. 7 minutes remaining. 7 minutes. All right, situation. 6 minutes remaining. Surfer in green, still in first, with a 7.0 and a 5.75 of a score. Surfer in red in second, with a 4.5 and a 4.0 score, needing an 8.25. Five minutes remaining. 5 minutes remaining. I can't do that, guys. Sorry.
Okay, we're
It's a
doing
crucial time for the boys out in the water.
Jandel, you also did everything you could to beat one of Siargao's best surfers, Noah Arkfeld. And naalala ko yung isa sa mga interview natin nung earlier rounds ay sinabi mo na goofy idol mo rin si JR Esquivel and you also advanced against him in the earlier round. So, ano ang pakiramdam na yung mga idol mo ay unti-unti
1
na
minute and 40
natatalo?
seconds remaining, boys.
Sobrang saya po kasi natatalo na sila ngayon. Yun lang po.
Ano yung mga iniisip mo bago ka matulog kagabi na ito na naman, ito na yung pinakamalayong narating mo sa tour so far, you're moving to the semifinals?
Nagdasal lang po ako tapos inisip ko lang po yung mga strategy ko na gagawin and then focus lang po ako sa alon kasi alam ko yung situation ngayon mahangin pero alon yun po nag-focus talaga ako.
And your focus brought you a long, long way. You are here right now and you are standing
1
along
minute remaining.
with the greatest
1
surfers
minute
in the
remaining.
country. And good luck
Surfer
to you.
in red,
You're moving on to the
Emerson
semis
Paraon,
and hopefully we'll also see you in the
We need an
finals.
8.25.
Sige, one very wet
Currently in
shout out
second
to your
priority.
sponsors and friends.
$25 seconds remaining.
To the live stream.
All right, thank you, Camille, for that interview. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, that's it for heat number 3. Men's Open Shortboard.
The Acau Balear National Surfing Competition is the third leg of the 2023 Next Gen Pilipinas Surfing Nationals. Acau Balear is brought to you by Next Gen Philippines and co-presented by Tingog Party List. Speaker Martin Romualdez and Senator Sonny Angara. This event is organized by the United Philippine Surfing Association, Aurora Surf Riders Association Incorporated, in coordination with Municipality of Balear and the Philippine Sports Commission.
All right. We are now watching heat number 4, the final heat of the day. Day 5 of leg 3, Acau Balear. And winner of this heat will be joining Robert Magaluna from Siargao, Jandel Ramos from Balear, and Neil Sanchez from Balear on the semifinals. And then we will have an early call time tomorrow morning around 6:30 a.m. for a possible 7 a.m. start. It could be the Masters first heat. That will be Romel Rojo, Carlos Aga, Kayot Jr., Morse Gandawali, and Rodel Novicio on that heat. That is going to be a good heat. All four surfers from the Masters are very, very experienced surfers. Not only from surfing, but again, the age, we all accept 40 plus. All competitors in our Masters divisions are all 40 and up. Yet to get a score on this heat. Michael Dave Ramos, go Dexter de Guzman. Who is Dexter de Guzman? I'm not sure. 17 minutes. .225 opening wave for Alan Magos. 16 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Clifford looking good. Clifford lumasak on his opening wave. A long one. Nice one. Again, this is a good reminder to all the surfers, especially if you're a competitor. Making sure that, I think WSL already implemented the Apple Watch for each competitors, so that even though they can't hear the audio, they know the priority, the scores that they need, everything that I'm doing right now. But still, they still do have a beach commentator. Still have a job at WSL. 15 minutes and 35 seconds. Surfer in green. A 4.25. A 4.25 on your first wave. A long wave. Good job, surfer in red. Again, it's going to be a good day 6 tomorrow. Opening it up with the Masters. 15 minutes remaining. Romel Rojo is our defending champion in the Masters. Against Carlos Aga Jr. Carlos Aga Jr. Morse Gandawali from La Union. Carlos Aga is from Borongan. Moro Gandawali from La Union. Moro currently not feeling very well, but hopefully he will be 100% on his heat tomorrow. And Rodel Novicio, I'm guessing he is also a local boy. Rodel? Hope you guys are enjoying this beautiful, rainy, windy day here at Baler. I'm liking it. 14 minutes and 10 seconds. 14 minutes. Shout out to Asrai and UPSA for having this live stream. Rain or shine, kudos to all. Thank you for appreciating us, sir. Rain or shine, this is what we do. Well, for a surfer, this is what we love to do when it's raining, because we get wet anyways. Let's make it live here at Live Chat. Guys, who do you think will win this heat? And who are you rooting for in the Masters? Let us know at Live Chat. Red now. 13 minutes remaining. Nice, beautiful water spots on our camera. All gone now. Tita is going for Alan on this heat. Tita Sausawera. 1 point for Alan on our live chat. Come on, guys. Who are you rooting for? 12 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Surfer in green, a 3.65 on your last wave. You're now in first. Surfer in green, a 4.25 and a 3.65. You're currently in first. Surfer in red, you need a 5.65 with 12 minutes remaining. We have another one for green. We have one for green. Post Pasiret TV. He likes green, so we have one for green and one for red in our live chat. Joren Quirero, go Baler boys. Joren, who do you think will win this heat? Let us know. 11 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. We'll have an quick interview. I'll be back with you guys. Let's give it to Camille and the last heat winner, Neil Sanchez, local boy. Take it away, Camille.
And nothing is impossible for Neil Sanchez, who scored a 7.0 in these very windy and very stormy conditions. So paano mo nagagawa yun?
Yun nga, since taga dito na ako, naglalaro talaga ako ng ganyan kagulo yung alon para, yun nga, in case na may comp kami, mas gamay ko na siya bago pa lang mag-start yung competition. So, yun, medyo kanina, sinwerte, maganda yung bumigay na alon sa akin, nabasa ko naman na maayos. Nalaruan ko din, kaya nabigyan ako ng ganun kalaking score.
Sa tingin mo ba ay advantage din kapag lagi kang nag-e-ensayo sa hindi ganun ka-perfect na condition para pagdating naman ng alon na sobrang ganda, sobrang kinis, may advantage ba ang pag-training sa ganitong kondisyon?
Sobrang laki ng advantage mo kapag nilaruan mo yung ganitong alon tapos napunta ka sa sobrang ganda kasi sobrang hirap talaga laruan ng ganitong alon lalo na yung condition tapos malamig pa, nakakadagdag sa hirap ng galaw sa katawan mo kasi sobrang lamig niya. Pero yun nga, mas makaka-advance ka kung mas nalalaruan mo yung ganitong alon na condition.
And of course, victory is sweeter if you have to struggle and work hard for it first. So very well deserved. Congratulations to you. Congrats pa rin sa yung opponent at that heat, sa Epong, at itong quarterfinal seat. Puro taga-Baler po ang nag-a-advance dahil nga siguro ay may advantage sila at hindi sila choosy kumbaga sa mga alon na nilalaro nila. So any last words before I let you go, Neil?
Thank you sa mga sponsor ko. Salamat sa walang suporta. Sana tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Lahat ng laban ko. Sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin para makanood. Sa girlfriend ko, thank you. Kahit maulan, nandito siya. Yun lang. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Okay, thank you again, everyone. And back to the
Okay, I'm back. 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Thank you, Camille and Neil. Congratulations, Neil. And I love your background. Paring Osot is on the background. Red, you need a 3.91 to win the quarterfinals and move to the semifinals. Red, score. Last score is not enough because, not because, but you need a 3.91. Last wave a 4.0 and and your backup score a 3.6. What because? There's no because. You need a 3.91, Red, so you can move on to the semifinals. Harry, Chris, hindi medyo windy, talagang windy. And raining. 6 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. We have 3 people on live chat rooting for Clifford Lumasak and 1 for Alan Magos. Red looking for that 3.91. Total score of a 7.9 for Clifford Lumasak, our current leader, and surfer in red, Alan Magos, with a 7.6. Looking for a 3.91. Well, let's see if he can get that on that last wave. Joren Quirero, green and red, both my cousin. Choose one, man. Come on. Just for this live chat. Choose one. Red, last wave, a 2.2. Not enough. You need a 3.91. With 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining, Dope is prophesying that it's gonna be a clutch, the last minute run. Not bad, Dope. You called it. I was thinking the same thing. 3.91 is easy for Alan Magos, so we will see. We still have and you guys guessed it right. That is the 5-minute mark. 5 minutes. Joren says, go green. Green winning the tally for our live chat so far. But then again, only time will tell. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Our current time, right now, it's only 10 a.m. here. If you guys are watching abroad. Green, last score, a 5.50. Improving your score to a 9.75. Surfer in red now, looking for a 5.75. To win this heat and move to the semifinals. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. You just watch the replay of a 3.35 for surfer in red. That's why a lot of people rooting for green, because he is called Clifford Italo Lumasak here in Baler, and he is showing you why he is called Clifford Italo. 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes. One more time. Later. So far, our viewers online are spot on. Leader Clifford Lumasak with a 5.5 and a 4.25, two highest scores. Total of 9.75, and Surfer in red with a 4.0 and a 3.60, needing a 5.75 to win his heat. Let's see if he gets the chance to try to get that score he needs in this heat. Again, this will be our last heat of the day. We will be seeing you tomorrow. A possible 7 a.m. start. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. And we might start tomorrow with a Masters. I guess these 4 men will be sleeping early today for their first heat tomorrow. Eric Friginal. Congratulations, Balair Surfers. Go, go, go. Kyle Nudalo saying, "Send it, Balair boys." 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. Shout out to Jet, making sure that we're not hungry. Last night at Cook's Cafe, amazing place, Cook's Cafe. Even their accommodation, I like it. Touch the floor. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute. Shout out from Maria Aurora by Erica Friginal. Is it Friginal or Friginal? Not sure. Sorry. 40 minutes. 40 minutes remaining. Surfer in red, you need a 5.75. 30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds. 20 seconds remaining. Just making sure it's clear to everybody. Head judge all wet and still on. The head judge said he wants 1 more heat. But contest director says 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Clifford Lumasak. Clifford Itolo Lumasak. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good job, guys. Thank you guys for watching in this beautiful, rainy, windy morning here at Balair. Congratulations to all the winners. 6:30 call time, possible 7 a.m. start. Masters. Good job. Well done, guys. Well done, judges. Well done, Ken. Well done, Rasta. And of course, our contest director, Ian Sagwan. Always doing a good job. Good call. Bye-bye for now, everybody. Goodbye, Balair. We'll see you tomorrow. You.
Congratulations to Clifford Lumasak. This is his career's best so far. Advancing to the semifinals, ito na ang pinakamalayong narating niya. Ngunit feeling ko hindi pa siguro to ang pinaka-best. So how do you feel about this whole competition so far?
Sa ngayon po, yung alon, medyo tricky po siya na malaki. Tapos pag nandun ko po kasi medyo mahirap. So nahirapan din po. Pero yung dahil na ganito po kami, best ko po.
Lumulusong ka rin ba kapag ganito kahit walang competition? Ay nilalaro nyo pa rin ba ang sabang ng ganito?
Opo, para pagka competition, wala po tayong pinipiling alon. So kailangan lusungan po natin lahat. Natutunan po tayo sa summer kasi last time medyo nahirapan po. Ngayon, mas pag-i-improve pa po lalo.
Okay, learning from experience. That is always the best teacher, of course. And talaga bang may naramdaman ka ba na para sa iyo ito?
Sa ngayon po, nandito na po tayo sa semis. Try na po natin umabot ng finals. Gawin po natin best natin.
Alright, saka na tayo mag-celebrate. At let's find warmer rooms. And okay, sana walang media team, salute, broadcast team, salute, all the judges, all of UPSA. Thank you so much. We are closing day 5. See you tomorrow for the semi-finals. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Around the world, they've been surfing for 60 plus years. For us, it's relatively new. First time that we had all come together under this United Philippine Surfing Association. Surfing is an Olympic event. The potential for a Filipino to get very far in surfing is there. It takes a village to raise a child. It takes the Philippines to raise surfing. Competitive surfing is more than just a lifestyle, it's actually a job, and that's the way we need to approach it, and that's the way we did approach it. In the short term, we need to compete. We need to compete in our country, we need to compete in other countries. We need to be exposed to surfing across the Philippines. And that is exactly what we're doing. 2022, we went aggressively into competition mode. We had 4 legs in 3 months, an international event in Siargao. We had our national event in Siargao, Belair, Borongan and Cabugao. We were able to host the first ever WSL longboard and shortboard combined event down on the beautiful Mona Lisa Point in La Union. The local talent shone with JR Esquivel taking out the inaugural longboard WSL event right there on his home break. This wasn't possible without the support of NextGen and RD Jeff Ortega, Region 1 DOT. Since the announcement of surfing in the Olympics, amazing things have happened in our sport. We've put our focus on the youth. We have a caravan that goes around the Philippines. We go from province to province and train them and educate them on how to become Philippines' greatest surfers. We want to raise up athletes who will raise up gold for the Philippines. The joy of success and the passion of winning. We want to mix this all together and showcase the talent we have right here in the Philippines.
The United Philippine Surfing Association would not be able to do this without the support of NextGen. Maraming salamat.
The Acao Balear National Surfing Competition is the third leg of the 2023 NextGen Pilipinas Surfing Nationals. Acao Balear is brought to you by NextGen Philippines and co-presented by Tingog Party List. Speaker Martin Romualdez and Senator Sonny Angara. This event is organized by the United Philippine Surfing Association, Aurora Surf Riders Association Incorporated, in coordination with municipal